Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Mark AMBOR here with a song called I Hope It All Works Out. So we have this 4-chord song, and it actually sounds harder than it is to play here. Only 4 chords, and we have one string pattern that will work here for the song. So let's dive into this one. We will set our capo here on the 1st fret to have the easiest chords possible. So with that, we're going to look at the 4 chords to begin with. We have first the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and first E. There we have the first E. And next chord here will be the A sharp sus version of it. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar now on the 1st fret. And you don't have to bar the last E string in the bass, just 5 strings from bottom up. And then you need to add 3rd fret on D string and 3rd on the G. We'll continue with bar chords now. This one is the F. You place a bar again on the 1st fret, this time over all strings. And then you need to add 3rd fret on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And we have C there as the last chord, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we'll learn the strumming pattern now. So we have 2 parts of it. So if we grab the D minor, we're gonna play 1 full round. It goes like this. So the first part is the first 2 downs. Down, down. What I like to do here is to play one first down here on the bass strings and the next down a little bit lower down there on the higher notes, the top strings. So down, down. And then part 2 will be just up, down, up. And I like to play them down here on the higher notes. So up, down, up. So together, down, down, up, down, up. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for this rhythm. It goes. So you notice there's a short pause between part 1 and part 2. Now let's go into this actual song here. So we have the verse play. It's played 1 round on D minor, 1 string around D minor, 1 on the A sharp, and 2 on C. So D, E, and C. D, A, and C. Very easy like that. All right. Then we are at the chorus play, and we're gonna play the D minor 1 full round. Then the A sharp, just part 1, the down, down. Then you go to F and play again part 1, the down, down. And then C, you play 2 full rounds. That chord progression here, you're gonna play for 3 rounds. We're not done yet, but that's the first 3 rounds in the course. So D minor 1 full, A sharp part 1, F part 1, and C 2 full, like this. Then part 1 of A sharp. Part 1 on F, and 2 full of C. That's 3 rounds, and the final round here will be D minor, A sharp, F, and C, 1 round per chord there. So. And then you have just an ending there with 1 down on D minor, 1 down on A sharp, and 1 down on C. So that is the long chorus there. So 3 rounds of the D minor, A sharp, part 1, F part 1, and C 2 full rounds. 3 rounds of that. And then the 4th round you're gonna play 1 string around per chord for the following chords: D minor, A sharp, F, and C. And then you're gonna end with the D minor 1 down, A sharp 1 down, and C 1 down. After that chorus comes an instrumental part, and that is the same as the intro play as well. So we're gonna learn the intro play now. Some technique stuff there, but it's basically in the same way as one of those 3 rounds in the beginning of the chorus. So that means D minor, 1 full round, A sharp part 1, F part 1, and then C 2 full rounds. The only difference here is when you play the C 2 full rounds, we have a couple notes here too we want to get, okay? So you're gonna start and play in the same way. So D minor 1 full, then A sharp, F, part 1 of both of these chords, and then you're gonna play the C for 2 strumming rounds. That's the value of it, but we're gonna add some notes to it. So it's gonna sound like this. So here, grab the C, you're gonna play 2 downs, as in the part 1, and now comes the change. You're gonna play up, down, up. So, and on that last up, you go down and bar the last 2 strings. You keep that first fret on B string with your index finger, but you also bar it together with the first fret E string, all right? So that E is now the dominant. That's where the thing is happening there. We're gonna get these 2 notes, the open E and the first E. That's what we're gonna play with. You're gonna really have to work with your bar finger like this to go bar it and release and bar, all right? So it starts with C, part 1, and then comes up, down, up. And then on the last up there, you hit the bar, all right? And then you're gonna play up, down, up, still with the bar finger down there on the first fret E string. And then you're gonna release it to get the open E string and continue with another up, down, up. All right, so that is the C part. So to repeat that, you had the part 1 first, and then you're gonna play up, down, up. And on the last up there, you hit the bar to get the first fret E string. You stay with the bar and play up, down, up. And you release the bar to get the open E string and play another up, down, up. And that's 1 round of the intro play, but also the instrumental play after the chorus. So slowly, we know the start here, that's the same as in the chorus, just the C now. Slowly it goes like this. All right, and in the context here, with the D minor, A sharp, F, and C, it goes like this. In standard tempo, a little bit faster, it goes. Alright, so there you have all the tools here to handle Mark Ambors. I hope it all works out. So thank you for watching, guys. I work a lot here to really find great songs suiting for guitar. So if you enjoy this, all my work, please feel free to leave a comment or support me here, subscribe or hit the like button. And until next time, play tuned.